Want to switch to ALDI Mobile but keep your current phone number? That's number porting. ALDI Mobile, operating on the AT&T network, allows you to transfer your existing number. This process involves a few key steps and requirements to ensure a smooth transition. ALDI Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator on the AT&T network in the United States. First, make sure your account with your current carrier is active, doesn't have any outstanding balances, and is in good standing. Prepaid accounts are generally easier to port than postpaid ones. You'll need to gather your account number, PIN, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number for verification. ALDI Mobile charges a one-time $10 porting fee as of 2025, but be aware of potential fees from your old carrier. The porting timeframe is typically 24 to 48 hours, but can sometimes take longer. Keep an eye on the ALDI Mobile app or website for status updates. This diagram shows how the porting process works between carriers through the numbering plan administrators. First, prepare your current account by gathering all necessary details. Make sure your account is active and you have no outstanding balances. You'll need your account number, PIN, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number for verification. Second, choose an ALDI Mobile plan by visiting aldimobile.com or an ALDI store and purchase a SIM kit. During activation, you'll need a valid ID and proof of address. Third, during activation, select Port My Number and enter your current carrier's information. ALDI Mobile will send a verification code to your old number via text or call. Fourth, confirm the port by replying to the verification message. Your old service might be temporarily suspended during this process. Fifth, finalize the process once your number is live on ALDI Mobile by testing calls and texts. If you encounter issues, contact ALDI support at 1-855-253-4734. Remember to back up your contacts and data beforehand, as porting is irreversible once completed. Consider porting during off-peak hours to avoid potential congestion. ALDI Mobile also supports eSIM for compatible devices, potentially reducing port times.